Well, here we go with test number two. Uh, Hook the panel up to a 55-gallon drum and see the results. Well, they weren't the best. They weren't what I was hoping for, but kind of what I expected due to the fact that it's 55 gallons of water. So, no big deal because that means back to the drawing board. Darn, I get to build a second panel. Nothing's insulated. There's no glass over the panel itself, and there's no insulation around the barrel or the tubing. As you can see, it's nothing more than a half-inch sheet of scrap plywood chipboard. It's just an experiment. And I had some 2x2s laying around that I would use as a border, thinking that possibly I could put some glazing over the top in the future if it works. Now, this will be a 12-volt system, so it's going to run off of a solar panel, charge controller, and one small battery. That's why I chose the pump I chose, so I suppose I better at least show you a few of the pieces that I used on this so far. So here's the pump I decided to buy. I bought it off my friendly neighborhood buy everything online store. I don't really want to say any names, but it was only $13, $14. It came from China pretty quickly, actually. And it's 12 volts. I had a wall wart, which I used to plug it into AC just to test it out before I whipped out the solar stuff and hooked it all up. If this works, I'm going to totally hook it up to the solar. All the pipe I used is PEX. Why not use it? I have the tools to put it together. It's cheap, it's pliable, it's bendable. I can wrap it around the corner, and it has a temperature rating of, I think, 180 degrees. I hope I'm not getting water that hot. Well, I wouldn't mind, but that's a little intense there. So I'm cool with 105. Well, I got a little ahead of myself and I started building the second panel tonight. Stay tuned for the video tomorrow. Hopefully, we'll have two panels and higher temperatures.